Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Mega Mind Academy. You have an algebra expression, an algebra equation on the board. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my videos, watch the videos, and let's grow together. If you have any math challenge, please do well to put them in the comment section, and we are going to look at them together. Now, we have an equation. This is saying that Ade is 5 years older than his brother Femi. If the sum of their ages is 21 years, find Ade's age. Now, the question says Ade is 5 years older than his brother Femi. Now, if the sum of their ages is 21 years, find Ade's age. So, we don't know what Ade's age is. So, and Ade is also 5 years older than his brother. So, and we don't know what his age is. So, to solve this problem, you simply start by saying solution. Now, the first thing to do is we don't know at this age, we don't know Femi's age. So now say, let Femi age be X. So we are going to say, let Femi's age be X because we don't know what Femi's age is. Then at this age will be what? X plus 5. Are you following? Please pay close attention so that you can understand it. Now, we do X plus X plus 5, which is this plus this plus this, x plus x plus 5, which is equals to what? 21. So this is our equation that we are going to use to solve the problem. Now that we have gotten to this place, what do? X plus x will give you what? 2x plus 5, which equals to what? 21. Very simple. So we move plus 5 to this side. 2x, which is equals to, move this to this side, which is 21 minus 5. Are you following? So now that I've gotten to 21 minus 5, we are going to divide both sides. Okay, first of all, we minus this. 2x is equal to 21 minus 5 will give us what? 16. So this will give us 16. So to make x stand on its own, because we want to make x subject of the formula, what do? You say x equals to 16 divided by what? 2. So our final answer will be what? 62 here 1. 2 into 16 will give us what? 8. So our answer will be S equals to what? 8. This is our final answer. So at this age is 8 years. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification for new videos. Thank you so much for watching.